So move on and discuss about the studies. In previous class, in previous video, I told you we had a discussion on Dussehra and little discussion on Diwali. Right? Little discussion on Diwali. So this is class number 5 or lecture number 5 or video number 5, and in this video we will have some more discussion about Diwali. Whatever discussion about Diwali that remains in the last class, we will continue with that discussion in this class only. Right? So everybody take your EVS book. Is it your hand? Take a small pencil or pencil. Take your eraser in your hand and open your EVS book. Take out page number 27 and let's start. Let's begin the study. Everybody is ready? All of you ready? Okay. So once again, whatever part of the Diwali celebration is remain, Diwali festival is remain, let's continue with that topic only. है ना? So in the last class, I told you that Diwali is the festival of lights. Everywhere lights, lights and only lights. है ना? And this day, Lord Rama come back to Ayodhya after 14 years exile. Exile means in Hindi vanvas, and in Hindi we can say that Lord Rama left all those things, left Ayodhya, left his Rajpath and went to the jungle because his mother gave that punishment. Okay. Yes. So Diwali always comes after 20 days of Dussehra, and it is the festival of light. All the Hindi people, all the Hindu community will celebrate Diwali. This is the grand festival in India which is celebrated by all the Hindus. Right? So, yes. Now, what kinds of preparation we all are doing, especially on that day? What are the rituals which we all are performing, especially on these days? है ना? So, Dussehra is the festival that will go on a very long. This is the celebration of Dussehra is a 10-day celebration. है ना? Celebration of Dussehra is a 10-day celebration, but celebration of Diwali is 5-day celebration. ठीक है? So people always decorate their houses during the festival time. All the pupils are always wearing new clothes during festival time, and what? And what? Yes, always green we all are having a nice beautiful Vandan bar on the doors na, ठीक है? So this is about the decoration part of the Diwali. अब clothes है ना, all the ladies, all the bacha parties, all the papas, dadi, dadu, all are wearing new, mamas are wearing new sarees, papa and dadus are wearing new kurta pajamas, children are wearing new dresses, है ना? Mama is preparing lots of sweet dishes according to the family's food habit, ठीक है? And all the daddies are helping to the mama to make the sweet dishes, the different kinds of dishes, है ना? So this is the about the sweet dishes and the clothes. Now it's time to talk about the rituals. How this Diwali festival will celebrate or have been celebrated or celebrating, ठीक है? अब what we are doing? We are worshipping of goddess Lakshmi. Goddess Lakshmi is the goddess of, yes, money. Along with goddess Lakshmi, Lord Ganesha and goddess Saraswati also, ठीक है? According to Hindu rituals, Lord Ganesha, goddess Lakshmi and goddess Saraswati, these three are the combination of health, wealth and good education, ठीक है? So during Diwali festival, all are worshipping all these three God, ठीक है? अब children's doing what? Yes, this is the important part for you. All the children loves to burn the cracker, and you all are waiting whole year for crackers. But when you let off the crackers, be careful because it dangerous also, ठीक है? So when you will let off the crackers, please be careful. Keep your parents along with you when you will let off the crackers. Okay? Understand this much? Hope you all are understanding, because from your childhood until the day you have seen 6 or 7 Diwalis, है ना? At your homes, how your mamas is preparing, how your dadi is celebrating, what kinds of rituals they are performing. You are seeing to your parents and grandparents at your home, so you can understand nicely. Number 3, we will discuss about Eid. So yes, dear students, once again, Eid is a big and important festival of Muslims, है ना? See, I told you that India is a very diversified countries, and all the religious, all the different communities, peoples are living over here, and they are performing their own rituals, they are believing their own rituals, they are adopting the food habits, they are adopting the clothes habits from their family members, ठीक है? So Eid, when we are celebrating Eid, by whom the Eid is celebrated, and what kinds of preparation during Eid are people doing? All this discussion we will have in this class only, ठीक है? So first let's read what is written in the book. Eid or Eid ul Fitr. Eid or Eid ul Fitr is an important festival of Muslims. Eid and Eid ul Fitr is an important festival of Muslims, and it comes after the holy month of Ramzan. It comes after the holy month. Holy month means Pavitra Mahina. masjid and Eidgah to offer the prayer. Up, there is a little difference. There is a small difference. During Eid festivals, women are not allowed to go to the mosque. But during Diwali festival, during Dashera festival, and during any other festivals, all the women are allowed to go to the temple. This is the difference. Okay? So during Eid, all the people, all the men will go to the mosque or Eidgah and they will offer the prayer over there. What they are doing? They will offer the prayer. And they embrace each other. E-M-B-R-A-C-E. Embrace means they are wishing each other. They are gale lag ke they are saying Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak. ठीक है? And they are wishing to each other. They are greeting each other. And what kind of a special dish is made in this day? Yes. The name of that special dish is Meethi Sivaiya. The name of the special dish is Meethi Sivaiya. ठीक है? And the small kids will got the Eidi from the elder side. जो घर के छोटे बच्चे होते हैं, they will got the Eidi from their elders, है ना? They are offering money to them. They are offering some nice gift for the kids of the house. ठीक है? This is all about Eid. What are the special things which all the Muslim people are doing on this day? Yes, everybody is decorating their houses. They are wearing new clothes. They go to the mosque or Eidgah and they are offering the prayer over there and they embrace over what is written? Yes, they embrace over there. And the special dish Meethi Sivaiya is made on this day. ठीक है? अब now we will discuss on Christmas. Now we will discuss on Christmas. ठीक है? Can you tell me on which day, on what day or date? Sorry, day to we can't decide on what day the people, the Christian community will celebrate this festival. Can anybody tell me? Yes, always Christmas celebrates by the Christian people on 25th of December. 25th of December. This is the day when the Jesus Christ was born. And this is the birthday of the Jesus Christ. And all the Christian community will celebrate. They will have a huge celebration, a grand celebration on Christmas time. See, Christmas is a time when in all over the world, it is not celebrated in Christian community people only. This Christmas is celebrated in all over the world. All the countries, all the world, all the communities, means what I can say that all the countries are celebrating this Christmas day. Because Christmas is a time when winter is on floor. Right? So let's have some more discussion about Christmas. So first, whatever is written in your book, first we will all read, then we will have a discussion. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December to mark the birthday of Jesus Christ. what they say? They say Korol, है ना? And they also go to the church at midnight to offer prayers. To offer prayers, and cakes and puddings are made on this day. Children believe that Santa Claus will come and give them the gift. This is so about the book. This is the information which is written is in your book. Now we will have some discussion on this festival. This festival, Christmas, is celebrated by the Christian community. Not only in India, this celebration will celebrated by the all over the world. ठीक है? अब what they are doing? Yes, of course, as like Diwali, as like Dashera, as like Eid, all the Christian community people will decorate their houses with Christmas tree. है ना? On Diwali we are decorating our houses with lights, but they are decorating their houses with Christmas tree. And at midnight they go to the church and they offer the prayer over there, and they sing a song around the Christmas tree, and the name of that song is called Korol. That song is called Korol. And also they made what? Yes, they made the cakes, they made the puddings, and they offered the group prayer. ठीक है? And all the children are waiting. Then Santa Claus will come and what? And Santa Claus will give the gift to the people. Santa Claus will give to the people. ठीक है? अब we will have a discussion on Guru Parv. ठीक है? Now Guru Parv. Let's see first whatever is written about Guru Parv in your book. Guru Parv is celebrated to mark the birthday of the Sikh Gurus. है ना? All the Punjabi community, all the Sikh, they celebrated this Guru Parv. This Guru Parv is a huge festival of all the Punjabi, all the Sikh community. ठीक है? अब this is the mark of the birthday of Sikh Guru. Guru Parv means the birthday celebration of the Sikh Gurus. Of the Sikh Gurus. On Guru Parv, what people are doing? People go to the Gurudwaras. है ना? As like Diwali, as like Dashera, as like Eid, as like Christmas, Sikh community will go to the Gurudwara. Sikh community will go to the Gurudwara. And what they do on Gurudwara? What they do in the Gurudwara? They offer the prayer. They offer the prayer as like all. And procession are taken out and langars are organized in Gurudwaras. Procession means इनका जैसे बारात निकलती है शादी में, ऐसा ही सिख कम्युनिटी का एक प्रोसेशन निकलता है. In that procession, all the men, all the women, they will take a part. They will take a part. They will take out the procession in a very disciplined manner on the street. ठीक है? अब they organize what? They organize langars at Gurudwara. and special Karha Prasad is prepared and distributed to the people. As like Eid, as like Christmas, है ना? On Dashera we are all are making special dishes. On Diwali we are preparing lots of dishes. On Eid we are preparing a special meaty sevaiya, and on longer time. During longer time. ठीक है? अब hope you understand all about the religious festival. I hope whatever discussion we have about all the religious festival, you can understand all those discussion nicely, because all the students always sings in their families, in their friends, in their at their houses, how the festivals are celebrated by the people. How the festivals are celebrated by the people. They already had seen in their families. So whatever is written in your book, whatever information I have, we all have the healthy discussion on this topic. ठीक है? अब these are the big celebrations, religious fest. There are so many religious festivals in India, beta. In the previous class, I told you that India is the land of festival. Each and every week, each and every month, we all are celebrating lots of festivals. So, here in the book, only few festivals names and the informations we shared, we already had discussed. Now, when we will meet in the next class, we will have some more discussion. Right? So, before that discussion, I am giving you a small work. All the students should paste all the festivals pictures is in your book. ठीक है? Religious festivals pictures you have to paste in the book. This is your homework of today's. Paste the pictures. Of different festivals in your EVS notebook. ठीक है? This is your today's work. All the religious pictures you should paste in your ABS notebook, right? So this learning is enough for this class. When we will meet in the next class, we will have a healthy discussion on harvesting festival. And all the harvesting festivals are very important for Indian people, because India is the country of villages, and maximum numbers of people, they are doing farming in the villages. So these festivals are the precious festival for the farmers. So we will have a discussion in the next class. So it's time to say bye from my side. Bye. Have a nice day. God bless you. Keep yourself fit. Always do study well. So it's time to say bye.